What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today I'll be showing you how to draw Burrito Bison. Let's begin today's lesson in the center page with the inside edge of the brow. Leave a small gap in the center. Start on the left. We're going to bend this in and then up. Line this up on the right side. Now go back to the side. Let's draw the top of the eyelid. We're going to bend this up and then out towards the side. Let's tuck the eyes in underneath the brow. On the left, we're going to step in, curve the eye coming down, and then up on the inside. Now we want to enhance the brow with a little fold, going up and then out on both sides. Let's move out to the side and draw the head. We're going to move over from the left eye, bend this out and then down towards the jaw, and then line that up on the right. Let's round up the jaw, go across the middle, and then round out the right side. Now from the inside of the eyes, let's add a fold, coming down and then out. Let's move down, draw the edge of the mask, curve this up and then down, and then round out the sides coming down towards the chin. Now let's move in, curve the mouth, coming around like a bracket, and then curve the bottom of the mouth, going up and then down. Now from the mouth, we're going to step down and draw a short line for the lower lip. From the side of the mouth, we're going to come in and then back out to create a point. Fill the outside in black. And it will connect these 2 points with a curve to separate the teeth. Now we're going to go back up to the top and draw the socket for the horns. Bend this in and then out. And go up toward the top of the head. Let's round up the left side, bring this in. Now I'm just going to brush the hair over towards the right. Start by coming down, and then up to create a point. Let's go across, and pull it up to create another point. Come down. Now we want to bring this all the way up towards the top of the head, and across towards the left side. Let's add one more point. Brushing this over, go across, and then down towards the left. Let's go back and finish off the right side of the head, rounding this out and then coming in. Now I'm going to go back to the side and draw on the horns. Let's start on the bottom left of the socket, bend this out and then up, round at the ends and then bend that back in. I'm going to round up the horn, come straight down, and then angle this back in toward the top of that socket. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw the side of the chest. We're going to start from the side of the jaw, come down, round out the chest, and pull this in. And do the exact same thing on the right. Now I'm going to step in, draw the side of the body, come down and in towards the hips. Let's close off the bottom with a curve. Now in the center of the stomach, let's draw a curve going up and then down, add a short line in the middle. Now in the center, we're going to step down, draw a straight line going across. And we'll draw the inside of the legs, starting with the left, and this down and out, towards the inside of the knees, and this in and then down towards the heels. Let's round out the bottom of the feet. We're going to curve this down from the heel and then up towards the toe. Round out the foot, come in, and then bend that down. Now we're going to go back up to the hips, we're going to curve the leg, going out, round out the knee, and then in towards the top of the foot. Now just up above the foot, we're going to separate the boot with a curve, and then go all the way up towards the top of the leg on the inside, curve the shorts, going up and then out. Now let's go back up to the top and draw on the arms. We're going to start with the inside of the bicep, from the side of the chest, bend this down and then out on both sides. Let's step in, curve the forearm, going down and then in towards the wrist. From the wrist, draw a small half circle for the thumb, and then close off the ends with a bracket. Now let's draw on that first index finger. Starting from the bottom of the thumb, we're going to come down and then up around that bracket. Let's go up along the side, layering the second finger, And then the third finger, we're just going to pull this out and then up towards the elbows. Now I'm going to go back to the side. Let's round out the arm, going up and then in towards the base of the shoulder. Go up in behind the horn, then continue in towards the head. Let's do the exact same thing on the right. Start with the top of the arm, coming in towards the shoulder, then we'll round that out. Let's go back to the hands and draw on the wristband. Start from the top of the thumb, going out and then down. Step up and draw that again. Let's add a little bit of hair texture across the arms with these short lines going across towards the bottom. Also going to add some hair texture across the chest. I'm just going to scatter this going across from left to right. Let's add a little bit more hair across the knees and the legs. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color. And there's a cartoon illustration of Burrito Bison. I want to thank you for joining me today. Keep practicing and I'll see you in the next one.